Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change your connected Telegram ID from your Bitget account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do this, you just simply have to open your Bitget application at very first, and after opening the Bitget account, you just simply have to tap into this icon into top left corner, and after selecting that, just simply select your profile from this section. After selecting your profile in here, you will get to see this option of change into Telegram Assistant. Now you are getting this change option directly. You just simply have to tap to change button, and after that you will get this section to enter the verification codes from several sources. First one is email verification, second is mobile verification, and third one is Google Authenticator. Just simply enter all three verifications and tap to confirm. Then you can easily open your Telegram ID and change it there. This way you can very easily change your Telegram ID into Bitget account. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.